What's up? Hello everyone. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Depending on the location you are watching this video from. It's Prince here. Welcome to another new video. If this is your first time coming across this YouTube channel, just kindly do me a big favor by clicking that subscribe button, like and share this video with friends and families. Guys, I'm currently coming live from the Gambia, West Africa, this smiling coast. So guys, in today's video, I'll be showing you the latest update on this new road they are constructing here in Sanchaba, the Gambia, West Africa. So guys, before wasting my time, let me just turn the camera and start showing you how this new road looks, plus how the neighborhood of this part of Sanchaba looks too. As you guys can see, this is the new road they are constructing here in Sanchaba. It leads all the way to Sukuta. Yeah, as you guys can see, they haven't started installing the street lights yet. Yeah, and this is the pedestrian part. Yeah, they haven't even started working on that too, as you guys can see. Yeah, the road isn't complete yet, but as you guys can see, the vehicles start using this road, but it's not complete. Yeah, and this is how this neighborhood looks. Yeah, here is Sanchaba. Yeah, walking towards Sukuta. Yeah, this is the Gambia for you, Africa. Wow. Yes, I think here in there is a school. Yeah, I think it's a school. I don't know whether it's an Islamic school or English school. Yeah, anyways, let me just keep doing my things, mind my own business. Yeah. So guys, those are the machines over there they are using to do the construction on this road. Yeah, those are the machines, as you guys can see. Yeah, and this is Sanchaba. This is Sanchaba in 2025, the Gambia. Yeah. Today it's so sunny out here. Yeah. I will try to see what I can do before my camera turn off. Wow. This is what Prince Eka is getting for you here in Sanchaba, walking towards Sukuta. This is the real life here. And then guys, if you watch this video till here, make sure you like, comment, and then subscribe to this YouTube channel. Positive comments, I mean, yeah. Today is so sunny out here. Oh my goodness, hope my camera doesn't turn off itself, because when it's normally sunny, my camera normally used to get hot and then it turn off itself. Yeah, just thinking these vehicles are really enjoying this road. Yeah, that's good. I was just talking to that kid. He was teasing me. Maybe he wants me to film him. Guys, I think I'm in Sanchaba job, because yeah guys, I think this area is part of Sanchaba job, because Sanchaba is somehow big and then have some parts Sanchaba job, Sanchaba other parts I don't know. Yeah, anyways, but I'm almost at the Sanchaba job lower basic school. Those are mango trees, as you guys can see. These are mango trees. Wow. Hope you guys are enjoying the view I'm getting for you guys here. Truly speaking, this new road guys, truly speaking, this new road, it really changed the looks of this environment, this neighborhood. Before this area, oh my goodness, it doesn't look like this, but now, as you guys can see, this road has changed. It looks, yeah, and then This is how it looks now. Dude, it's so sunny. So guys, in there is the Sanchaba Sule Job Lower Basic School. Yeah, but here is not the, guys, that's the Sanchaba Sule Job Lower Basic School, but that's not the main entrance of the school. The main entrance is over there. I will try to show you guys. Yeah, this is the Gambia in 2025. Let's go. This is a welding workshop. So guys, here is the main entrance of the school. Yeah. Anyways viewers, so guys, this is where I will end this video. As always, if this is your first time coming across this YouTube channel, just kindly do me a big favor by clicking that subscribe button, like and share this video with friends and families. I'm out. It's your boy Priseka, boy from the Gambia, West Africa, the smiling coast. See you on the next video. Love you. Bye.